Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I have built this high converting Shopify product page for the Google Ads specifically. And if you're running Google Ads, this video is going to be extremely important for you because you will see what's the best practice, how to get the attention of your viewer once they search for your product and how to make them convert. In this video, we're going to cover 15 things that we have applied here in order to maximize the conversion rate, and we're going to start from the top, from the above default section. So the first thing that we have here is this guarantee at the top in the form of this sliding menu. So we have done some research, and when we were helping this owner craft their offer for the Google Ads, we have realized that for their customer, it's important that they have the performance guarantee for their product. So for that reason, we have positioned this sliding menu at the top. So this is the first thing that their viewers see when they land on this product page, and it immediately builds the trust. So now the customer feels more reassured on continuing with their customer journey. The next thing that we have here, we have positioned the title right at the top as well. And this is important for the Google Ads because when your visitors are on the Google Ads and they're searching for certain product, they click on your ad. And when they land on your product page, you want to make it 100% sure that they have landed on the right product that they were searching for. So if they were searching for this product, you want to confirm them that this is the product that they were searching for, and now they're right on that product page. It's highly relevant in their mind. Now they understand that they have found the product that they were searching for. So this title will also change by time as we see Google search conversions and stuff. So it will be adjustable, but we want to position it at the top so it brings that relevance and your customers understand that they're on the right place. The next thing that we have done here is we have added this chef grade verified, and I'm going to cover a little bit later what it means, what happens when they click on it. But this is very important in terms of building the authority and trust because this brand is competing with Allclad, Hexclad, and all these big brands. So we want to find a way to stand out so that the customer can actually choose this among all of these big competitors, right? The next thing that we have here, we have the reviews, we have the star rating widget. We want to show immediately there are some of the social proof. We already have some of the customers, and as well, we have made it as specific as possible and underlined so that the customer can see that they can click on this thing and get scrolled to the social review section, which is very well optimized that we're going to cover a little bit later. Then on the right side, we have the price and we have the free shipping right below it. This is the price of the product. It's a little bit expensive because this product is a high quality, but now we are as well showing that it also contains the free shipping so that the customer don't have to worry about paying some additional fees. So we're just reducing that hesitation in their mind. So therefore, in their mind, the price just feels a little bit less expensive. And as well, to make them perceive this price less expensive, we also have this pay in 4 installments with Shop Pay. So now the customer knows that they can pay this in more installments, which will feel just less painful than paying it all at once. And by the way, if you'd like me to audit your store and to give you some advices on what you can do right now to boost your conversion rate, you can fulfill the form in the link in the description. I'll give you a personalized audit for your case on all things you can do right now to boost your conversion rate and your bottom line. Then here we have just the product image, just a typical product. We have a little description below it just to give them some of the information that they want to see. We have the sizes, and then just below the add to cart, we have these trust signals here, which are very important thing. These trust signals are very important thing because once your customer see the add to cart button and once they want to click on it, these trust signals reassure them, they reduce the friction, and therefore placing the order feels just more effortless. Why it feels more effortless is because they see that they will get, once again, the lifetime guarantee, they will have the 30-day free returns, and that this product is going to ship in 1 day. So we have positioned ships in 1 day because when your customers are searching on Google Ads, they already know what they want to buy. They're searching for the right vendor, and when they find your product and when they want to order, they want to get it as fast as possible. So the fast shipping is very important for Google Ads because your customers just want to get this product as soon as possible and just start using it. So this is why we have emphasized the ships in 1 day in the first part here so that they know that this is going to be delivered to them quickly. So then we have another trust signal, but this is in terms of the authority credential. So in this example, we have this chef who is the chef at 2 Michelin star restaurant. And in this quote here, he says how this product is great, how it has a great performance. So now we're using his credential to boost our authority, to gain that trust so that they are reassured that this product is going to perform great. Because if the authority like this says that this is a great product, then it's a high chance that they will believe it. and therefore just proceed on placing the order on our website because we are connected to this authority. So now our authority is higher as well. The next thing we have here is just the cross-sell that will just help them with increasing their average order value. This is just an add-on. They can click on the add to cart and it will be added to the cart. What's important regarding to this add-on is that you want to make it very clear what the product is about and you want to make it easy to add to the cart just by clicking on the button. The next thing we have here is description, and we have made this description very easy to read. So you can see first we have some of the bullet points that are just very easy to digest and get them dragged into the text. And then after they have read these few bullet points, they will start reading the full text. And if your customers read the full text, they will have the chance to get persuaded. Otherwise, if you have the block of text, they will not read it. They will not bother about it. So that for that reason, you would just want to make your description as easy as possible so more people read it and therefore you have a chance to get persuaded to buy from you. Then we have the material, we have the shipping and delivery, we have the FAQs. FAQs is extremely important. So that's why we have positioned it as high as possible. So you want to have here most commonly asked questions that is just going to handle these objections. And in their mind, the only logical step is to place the order, right? So then the next thing is the thing that I have mentioned in the above default. So when they click on this thing, chef grade verified, they get scrolled to this section. And in this section, we are once again positioning ourselves as an authority. In this section, we are saying what makes this equipment a chef grade, why it's listed on our website. We're saying that we do not list any product on our website. We're only listing products that are passing through certain criteria. And for that reason, now we are subtly telling them that we are experts in this field. We are an authority. And for that reason, they perceive us like that. We tell them what are the criteria that this product has passed through in order to make it on our website. So now the customer just trusts us more because we're not placing some of the BS products on our website. And this gives them one more reason to buy from us because we're being transparent and authority in this field, right? So very important thing when it comes to this brand. Then the next thing is us versus them comparison table. This is very important for the Google Ads because once your customer is searching for the product, they have 5-10 different tabs open on their Google Chrome. So they're constantly comparing you to all the other competitors. And when they find the top 5 websites where they can order, they will choose only one to order. So you always want to show them why should they choose you. You want to show them why you are better than them. And if you're not doing this, your competitor will do this. And therefore your customer will just end up buying from them and you have lost that sale. So us versus them, extremely important if you're running Google Ads. The next thing we have here is the reviews. We have what our customers say. After all these things to build that trust, we have the reviews. So here we want to show the review. We want to show the image of the reviewer, how many star ratings was the review. And then we want to show the images of these reviews because this is extremely important. If your reviews have images, your reviews are just going to be more credible. In this example, you can see how it looks way better because now it shows what is the outcome of using this gear, how does it cook and stuff like that. It's a very important thing. You want to add the credibility to your reviews because that's going to separate you from the rest and that's going to make your visitors trust you more so they place the order on your website. So then the next thing we have here is the review summary. This is also extremely important. You want to show the summary because not all of your customers want to go throughout your whole reviews, and especially if you have over 500 reviews. So you want to have the summary of your reviews, like what are the main benefits of that product so they can just see at a glance and understand all these reviews without needing to waste their time on going through them and understanding it themselves. Then the last thing here we have is the downsell, and it's always on the bottom of your product page. Because sometimes people that have found this product, they might want some other product. So you want to show them other products that are kind of related to this one. So you want to see your analytics, what are the things that they were usually buying after they have landed on this product. And in the case that they don't buy this product, you want to show them other products that they might buy. And for that reason, you will just get them to buy anything on your website. So you get to maximize how much you have already spent on your Google Ads. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you'd like me to audit your store and to give you advice what you can do right now to improve your conversion rate, fulfill the form in the link in the description and you will get the personalized audit for your case on all things you can do right now to boost your conversion rate and your bottom line. And if you like this video, you can watch this next playlist in which I break down all these redesigns for the higher conversion rate so you can apply these tactics to your store to boost your conversion rate and your bottom line.